Good day to everyone and a warm greeting to my lecturer, Miss Yuva Vatanya, and all my classmates. Welcome to my presentation titled My Professional Spotlights. My name is Hanilu Alcantara. I am 22 years old and I am currently studying Diploma in Culinary Arts at City University, Malaysia. Today, I will share with you who I am, what I have learned, and what I hope to achieve in my future career. Let me start by introducing myself properly. I was born and raised in Manila, Philippines. Right now, I am in my third semester, which means I have almost completed one full year of study here. So far, my experience living and studying in Malaysia has been really good. It is a friendly and welcoming country with different cultures and new ingredients to discover, making it a perfect place to learn and grow. I speak English and Tagalog fluently, which helps me communicate easily with people from different backgrounds. My main goal here is to build strong knowledge and skills so I can turn my passion into a successful career. Now, let me tell you about the things I enjoy doing. My greatest passion is definitely cooking and baking. Growing up in Philippines, I learned how to make our favorite traditional dishes like lumpia Shanghai, adobo, sinigang, and leche flan. These recipes are not just food to me, they represent my cultures and memories too of home. Since starting my course, I have also been learning international cuisines, from Western styles to other Asian dishes. I love experimenting, mixing flavors, and creating something new. In my free time, I also do food photography because I believe a great dish should look as good as it tastes. I use CapCut to edit videos to share my cooking journey. I enjoy singing and karaoke to relax. And I love trying different local foods here in Malaysia. Every meal is a new lesson for me. For almost 1 year of studying, I have learned many important things. I now understand proper kitchen safety, hygiene, and work rules. I am skilled in different cooking and baking techniques, and I am very careful with measurements and unit conversions, which is essential to get the right taste and texture every time. I have also learned how to prepare ingredients correctly, control cooking temperatures, and present food neatly and attractively. Personally, I would describe myself as hardworking, patient, and detail oriented. Living here has taught me to be independent and adaptable. I work well in a team, follow instruction carefully, and I'm always open to feedback and new ways of doing things. I feel more confident in the kitchen with every class I attend. Looking ahead, I have clear dreams and plans for my future. In the short term, I want to finish my diploma with good grades and master all the techniques I am learning. I want to gain as much practical experience as possible while I am still studying. In the long term, my goal is to first work as a private chef. This means I can cook for families, special events, and clients, creating meals that suit their preferences. Later on, I plan to return to the Philippines and open my own food business. But I don't want to serve ordinary dishes only. I want to make unique and different meals that combine the rich flavors of Filipino cooking with the international skills and knowledge I gain here in Malaysia. I want to bring something new, exciting, and delicious back to my home country. To reach all these goals, I know that good communication is very important. In the kitchen, clear talking and listening prevents mistakes, avoid waste, and keeps everyone safe. It helps the whole team work smoothly and efficiently, especially during busy times. As a private chef and a future business owner, I will need to listen carefully to what my clients want, explain my menu and ingredients clearly, and build trust with every customer. When I run my own business, I will also need to communicate well with suppliers, staff, and people who support my work. Without good communication, even the best food ideas might not be understood or appreciated. That is why improving my speaking and listening skills is one of my main personal goals right now. To sum everything up, I am Hanilu Alcantara, a student with a big passion for food and cooking. I am grateful for my time here in Malaysia, and I am working hard every day to learn, improve, and prepare for my future. My journey is not just about learning how to cook, it is about turning my love for food into a successful career and bringing new flavors and joy to people back home. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.